Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Slayed by LD. This is weird. It feels like I'm acting, but when I'm in the camera more, like when I start recording more, I'm gonna get more comfortable. It just feels like I'm acting right now. But today I'm gonna be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna be teaching you how to slay your eyebrows. So you're gonna need a few things.
She's like, yes, I'm wanting you. Heart pumping like you. Baby, rotate to the tune. I can make you my baby, no way. Touching on your body like it's sexual. 18 plate, not Toronto. Yeah, we making money, baby, but we spend all. I can change your life when I step through. And it's like, baby, can you give it to me? No.
I got a pomade. This is from Elf. Not sure if you guys can see that. It's from Elf. I got this brow pencil. This is from MUA Academy. If it's not focused, there it is. And I got this brow pencil from Elf as well. So it's just your preference, whichever you want. First, I'm gonna start just by shaping my eyebrows and just removing like the unnecessary hairs. I'm gonna be using this eyebrow razor, and I'm just gonna now that I've got my actual shape that I like, I'm gonna start filling them in. I'm gonna brush my brow hairs in the direction I want, which is upwards and then downwards like that. And I'm using the Brow Define eyebrow pencil from MUA Academy. And I'm just gonna outline my brow. Just gonna draw a line underneath. Let's outline it. Now be careful when you get to the front part. You don't want to make it look like a block. You want that flawless effect, that Instagram brow. You want that ombre effect. So you don't want to fill in this part. I'm just going to be creating hair-like strokes in the tail. And I'm going to use the spoolie. And I'm just going to brush that product through so it makes it fuller. I'm going to be using an angled brush and the pomade, and I'm just going to fill in the tail just to make it a bit darker. Brows look good. Now we're gonna conceal. Now concealer is just gonna clean up any mistakes that we've made and just make the brows really defined and sharp. Now you want to use a concealer that's like one shade lighter. You don't want to go too or three, because you don't want that white, you don't want flashback, you don't want that white line there. So I'm just gonna be using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. I don't know if you guys can see, I don't know if it's focused. focused? Yep. I'm just gonna put that a little bit on my hand. Just a little bit. We don't want to waste product. I'm gonna be using a flat brush to conceal. It's very important to use a flat brush. It just gets it really defined. And I'm just gonna make sure the product is really flat on my brush. Just like that. I'm gonna carve out my brows. Slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to be too quick. Just wanna get your brows fine. And that's it. And I'm just gonna buff that into my skin. You want to be using minimal concealer because you don't want to, you know, work hard at this point. You just want to quickly buff that into your skin. Now that I've made sure that the product is flat on my brush, I'm carving out my brows with the concealer. I'm using the brush to glide the product. It's very necessary to use a flat brush that's kind of circular. The shape helps when carving out the brow. When carving out the top, you kind of want to slide it across and just get the perfect shape that you want. I'm using a flat fluffy brush to buff the concealer into my skin. Now this is how you slay your eyebrows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.